वेलकम टू noiseonlinetutor.com। स्टूडेंट, आशा रखता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने मेरा पिछला वीडियो पॉलिनोमियल्स के ऊपर जो मैंने अपलोड किया है उसको देखे होंगे। अगर नहीं देखे तो उसको देखने के बाद ही इस वीडियो को देखिए। इस वीडियो में हम पॉलिनोमियल्स का कुछ मैथमेटिक्स को करेंगे और पॉलिनोमियल्स का जीरोस के ऊपर जो थियोरेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट है उसको बिल्ड अप करने की कोशिश करेंगे। और इसको देखने के बाद अगर कुछ डाउट है तो मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर के थ्रू आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं और मेरा ईमेल आईडी के थ्रू भी आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो देखते हैं आज का मैथमेटिक्स। फर्स्ट थिंग इज व्हाट इज जीरोस। ओके, लेट fx इक्वल टू 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 1 and x equal to minus 1. Then what will be the value of the function x, that means polynomial value become minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to minus 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. If the polynomial value become 0 when we replace the variable with some real number, then that real number is known as zeros or root of that polynomial. That means here minus 1 is a 0 of this polynomial, or x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Okay, let fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c. In this polynomial, the maximum degree is 2. That means this polynomial should have two variable. Sorry, two variable, two zeros. Okay, let zeros or roots are alpha and beta. Then alpha plus beta should be equal to minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, that means equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta equal to constant by coefficient of x square, that means c by a. This is the relationship between the roots and coefficient of a polynomial, where polynomial is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, let's take an example. Fx equal to let 6x square minus x minus 2. Okay, this is the polynomial. As maximum exponent value of the variable is 2, that means this should have maximum 2 zeros. Okay, one may be 0 and other one may have some real value. Okay, let factorize this polynomial. This is equal to 6x square minus 4 minus 3 into x minus 2, that is 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2, 2x into 3x minus 2 plus 1 into 3x minus 2 equal to 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 2. So here two factors are 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 2. as these two are the factors of this polynomial, so we can say 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 2 should be equal to 0. In that case, 2x plus 1 equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 equal to 0, as two functions product, if two functions product is equal to 0, then either both are equal to 0 or either any one is equal to 0. Then x equal to minus half and y equal to another value x equal to 2 by 3. These two are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, that means if I put x equal to half in the polynomial, then I should get value of the polynomial what? Equal to 0. 6x square minus, let's check, half minus 2. This means 6 into 1 by 4 minus minus plus 1 by 2 minus 2. This is equal to 3 by 2 plus half minus 2. Then it become 4 by 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2. This is equal to 0. Proof. That means yes, minus half is a root of the polynomial. Similarly, I can prove 2 by 3 is also a root of the polynomial. Okay. Now I had said ki the relation between the zeros is alpha plus beta. If alpha and beta are the zeros or root of the polynomial, then alpha plus beta should be equal to minus b by a. I have to check whether it is correct or not. Here, let alpha is equal to minus half and beta is equal to 2 by 3. So what is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus half plus 2 by 3. Okay, that will mean equal to 6 minus 3 plus 4 equal to 1 by 6. Now we can write it as minus of minus 1 by 6. This is nothing but minus of coefficient of this one, coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. See here, coefficient of x square. So that means this relation proof x alpha plus beta should be equal to minus b by a. And now alpha beta product of the roots equal to minus half into 2 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, now minus 1 by 3 you can write minus 2 by 6. This is equal to constant by coefficient of x square. Because what is the constant part of this polynomial? Minus 2. And what is the value of the coefficient of x square? This is equal to 6. And here minus 2 and 6. That means yes, this is equal to c by a. Proof. Okay, so what we get? We get if fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial and alpha beta are roots of the polynomial, then alpha plus beta should be equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, and alpha beta equal to constant by coefficient of x square. Okay. Now another thing is, if you have two zeros, that means alpha and beta, and you are asked to derive the function, that means polynomial, then how can you calculate the function? Let x minus alpha and x minus beta are the two factor of polynomial fx. Let, according to the principle, we could write fx should be equal to x minus alpha, x minus beta, correct? Let k is any constant, then it become k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Okay, and now compare this with this quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c. We know this is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, by comparing this, we could write alpha plus beta, alpha equal to a equal to this is equal to k x square minus k into alpha plus beta into x plus k alpha beta, then a equal to k, and b equal to minus of k into alpha plus beta, and c equal to k alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta equal to b by minus k, that means b by, what is the whole of k? A, minus equal to minus b by a, as same as earlier slide. Okay, that means coefficient of x by coefficient of x square proved, and alpha beta equal to c by k equal to c by a. This is equal to constant by coefficient of x square. Okay, this is a proof. So we could say, if alpha beta are two roots of a polynomial, then x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta should be a polynomial. What type of polynomial? Quadratic polynomial, because its maximum exponent of the variable is 2. Okay, let example, let 2 and minus 3 are two roots, then then x minus 2 and x plus 3 are two factor of that polynomial of function x. Then we could write fx equal to what? Fx equal to x minus 2 into x plus 3. What we will get? X square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. This is equal to x square plus x minus 6. Similarly, according to formula, what is fx? Fx is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now I have to put the values. X square, alpha is 2, beta is 3 by x plus 2 into minus 3. Now this is equal to x square minus minus plus x minus 6. These two are equal. So this is the formula to derive a quadratic polynomial if two roots are given. Okay, right? That means fx is equal to x minus alpha x minus beta, or x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. ओके स्टूडेंट, आशा रखता हूँ कि आपको ये मैथमेटिक्स समझ में आया होगा। कुछ भी डाउट है तो मुझे मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर थ्रू कांटेक्ट कीजिए और मेरा ईमेल आईडी के थ्रू भी कांटेक्ट करके अपना डाउट क्लियर कर सकते हैं। ओके, ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन के लिए www.noisisonlinetutor.com में लॉगिन करके हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं और मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर के थ्रू भी हमसे कांटेक्ट करके कर सकते हैं। ओके, आगे भी हम बहुत सारा वीडियो डालेंगे जिसमें डिफाइंड लेवल का पॉलिनोमियल्स का कैलकुलेशन करके दिखाएंगे। अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो आप जरूर इसको लाइक कीजिए और आगे का वीडियो देखने के लिए इसको जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।